As I've got older, I felt that my skin looks more tired than I sometimes feel. So I'm always looking for those products that make a really instant difference, but with minimal effort. And I found that in this radiance enhancing concealer. I'm hoping you can see on screen the difference that this makes, and it's giving me such radiance. If you feel that your skin's looking a little bit tired, a little bit lackluster, this concealer could give you a real boost in the morning. I've applied 2 applications to this eye, and honestly, I'm blown away. It doesn't look cakey. It just looks like I've had 10 hours worth of sleep. I'm obsessed. I know you will be too.